Hello people of the internet, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine, doing well, and welcome back to my channel once again. So today I was thinking to give you another review of my book haul from bookchor.com, because in my last bookchor haul video you were asking that you always get old books or torn books from bookchor.com. Well, that's not the case. It's like a grading system there is on the website. You can choose an almost new book, a new book, a good condition book, and a readable condition book. Like there are 4 or 5 categories from which you can buy books from, and each category comes with a different kind of discount. So if you're buying new, you won't get any discount, but if you're buying from a good condition book, you will get like 50% discount or so. Like depends on the condition of the book. So yeah, I will show you what each condition of book looks like. Like I ordered a new book, one almost new book. There was one book in good condition, that said on the website, good condition book, and one readable condition book. And I will show you what the different categories are, and then you can choose accordingly if you want to buy again from the same website. So yeah, without further delay, let's start the video. So yeah, let's get started. And first of all, I would like to show you the new condition book. So this is one book, and this is what you get if you order a new condition book. It is completely new. The spine has no damage, the pages are fresh, no marking, nothing, completely intact from the factory. Like the new book, generally what you buy from shops, you get a new book without any damage or anything. Nobody has touched it. So yeah, this is a new condition book, and it will cost the same or like 30% discount if there is a sale going on. So yeah, this is a new condition book. Now let's talk about the good condition or not good condition, almost new condition book. So this book that I ordered is almost new condition. It was on the website that it is almost new. The almost new means somebody might have read it before you, but it is new and does not have much damage or any marking or anything or any visible physical damage on the book. It's just has been read by someone else before you, that's all. And because it has been read before, you might see a little bend on the spine, little bit, not much. You can totally ignore it. It's not visible at all. If you don't look closely, it's not visible much from, it's not much, but the pages are like new. There's no physical damage on it. I dropped my, so yeah, there's no physical damage on the pages. The pages are new, white, there is no marking, nothing at all original book. But yeah, it's just been read by someone else, and you can see the little bend on the spine because someone has read it. So that's all about the almost new condition book. Now on my last bookchor video, a lot of you commented that you got torn books from bookchor.com and the website is not good or anything. But yeah, if you order a huge discount book, like 65 to 85% discount book, and it says that it is in readable condition or good condition books, so obviously those heavily discounted books have some flaws, of course. That's why they are on discount, that's why they are on sale. So yeah, if you are buying huge discount books, it will have some damage on them. So I will show you how it will look like. This is one good condition book. Okay, so as you can see, the cover is good, the spine is good, everything, but the condition is it's called a good condition book because the pages are very yellow, the book is old, and a little bit tear on the sides, as you can see. The cover is a little bit damaged, and on the back here, little bit damaged of the cover, the corners are damaged as well. So this is a good condition book, and it was on 65% discount. So yeah, if you're getting a heavily discounted book, it is going to carry some damages for sure. So yeah, you can always prefer, if you prefer good condition book, then order almost new or at least good condition, mention good condition book on the website. Select the good condition option, and then you will get a better book and not torn books or damaged books. Now coming to readable books, like the website says, there is a condition chart on the website or on the app. You can see there's a chart called chart with every book, where you can see how each condition book will look like. Now for a readable condition book, it will be readable but it will carry a lot of damage, and if it is on 90% discount, then and it's readable, then it will carry damages, and the pages might be torn, the cover might be damaged, the physical signs of damage or any marking or anything might be visible on the book. For example, this book, as you can see, it is damaged, it is like the pages are yellow and all. There are markings inside the book as well. So these books are heavily discounted and are on the category of readable. So that was the video, guys. But before I end, I would like to just summarize and sum it up as a quick thing, how each and every book will look like according to the condition. This is a new book, spine intact, cover intact, pages intact. A new book. This is a almost new book, spine intact, cover intact, pages are new, but somebody has read it before, and so you can see the bends on the spine. That's all. This is a good condition book. The cover is intact, spine is intact, the pages are good, but there might be folds on the corners. The corners might be a little damaged, but yeah, it's good condition. You can read it for sure. And this one is a readable condition book. Very much damage visible on the cover and on the pages, but it is readable, and these books are heavily discounted. So if you want to read some book, or you want to just spend less money, you can buy any of your choices. But Bookchor, all in all, I love the website. They offer great bookmarks as well. With every book set that you order online, you get complimentary bookmarks with them. So yeah, you can obviously try, but choose wisely which condition book are you going for. So accordingly you will get the book. So that's all for this video. So that was all for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If this video helped you in any way, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you think about this video. And if you have ordered from Bookchor, do let me know about your experiences. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye.